Hello everybody, welcome back for my Ipsy. Today's just gonna be like a chill, laid back kind of thing. I don't have any makeup on, well, mascara and highlighter. I am moving this month. I have been so tired of just packing and emotionally tired, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's why I didn't want to get ready or film right before, because I hadn't been able to wake up when I want to wake up, so that sucks. But yeah, if you didn't watch my other videos, or if you're new here, I'm Chans, and today I'll be doing my Ipsy. And from now on, Ipsy, my background will be different. I don't know what it will be, but I'm going to be living somewhere else with other people, and my setup, I have no idea what's it going to be like. Hopefully I am able to film regularly, as soon as I get my stuff. Hi, baby. But I really hope that works out. If I have any updates, I'll let you know in the description box, or follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or something, because I might be filming my, not filming my journey for YouTube, but posting on Snapchat once I move or whatever, just basic, regular, everyday stuff. But yeah, if you guys want to do that and you guys wonder where I am if I don't post on here, just please go follow. It'll be down below like always. But sorry to bug you guys. Let's get ahead into my Ipsy. I liked it this month. I love Ipsy, so yeah. First, let's look at the card. It says, Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis and go. And then, oh my god. Okay, I love this. I love this. I didn't read it. Okay, so this is the first part. And this is the 5 emojis. And this person said, nails, coffee, heart, and chocolate. And then, that's only 4, because there's no emoji for highlight. Oh my god. I want to keep this card. It's a little fucked, but I'll keep it. Well, I try to use the little diamond. I'll put it up here as the highlight emoji. This person is me. Ooh, it says make sure to hit up Ipsy on Black Friday for some insane deals. Ooh, hit up that link. Hopefully I'm able to do that, because I'm right moving then. But I do want to get sub stuff. I am, like I mentioned before, but I don't know if you guys know, I am getting the Jeffree Star Alien palette and the James Charles palette I ordered from Fashion Nova too, so I'm getting lots of shit. But if there's insane deals, I might indulge. Only if it's insane enough for me. And yeah, this is really cute. I like this bag. I thought it was, is it in the middle, or is it the highs on one side? I can't tell. I feel like it's very asymmetrical, but I don't mind this. It's from Ciaté London, which I have tried their liquid lipsticks, highlight, stuff like that. I like their brand. And then this one is a mascara, and it says Black Magic, so that's the color. Love the packaging. Silver bullet with stars. Let's see what the wand looks like. I'm not gonna apply it because I have some on, and I don't dip into mascara just to try it on, because of that ruins it and the expiration date and stuff. So I just use them when I'm out. Okay, this one's big. It looks like it's big, and then a little shorter in the middle. It's really nice and huge, considering this is tiny but not that tiny. Certainly bigger amongst the other products I've gotten. So here's a mascara. I love getting mascara because that's the one product I use. So that is amazing. Next one here is this big purple thing. It's from Generation Clay, and it's an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. I'm gonna rub some on my hand to show you. And this one says that it nourishes, brightens, radiances, refines. Okay, that's not a word, but this is what it says. I tried I tried making them a certain way, but one of them doesn't work out, so I'll just show you this. And then it's, oh my god, this is so stupid. It says how to visit generationclay.com for details. So you have to visit a website to learn how to use this, but pretty sure on the app it says how to use it, and it's cruelty free, and this is made in Australia. These are their social medias in case you're interested in checking out their stuff. Let's see. Okay, it's definitely purple. It's a clay mask, so like once it dries you wipe it off kind of thing. I've gotten a pink one before, but from like Sand and Sky. So here it is. It's already like drying a little bit down. My mic is acting crazy. Next in here is a tiny little item, but I'm excited for it because it's a brightening eye serum, and it's from Skyn Iceland, and it says solutions for stressed skin. It has Arctic peptides, and oh my god, there's like, let me look at it in like the light. I don't know if there's anything in here, to be honest. And how to morning and evening pat serum gently under eye area with fingertips. And it says it in French. Maybe I could attempt to read it. I did learn a little bit of French. Mode d'emploi. Matin et soir, appliquez la sérum du bas de doigt sur les yolk sorry, Spanish, para deportament leyes. Okay, I hadn't read French in almost 2 years. I took it for 1 year, and then the counselor was like, you don't need to take any more languages, because I already know 5, and yeah, or else I would have known it. I'm so fucking pissed off. Never listen to anybody, like, when it comes to, you know, wanting to learn things. Don't listen to anybody. Okay, so I don't want to waste this because it looks like it's like a bougie-ass brand. It's probably just the regular serum looking thing. But I don't care about it. Oh my god, I just remembered something. Oh my gosh, I can't pause. Should have done this in the beginning. Well, Ipsy is doing this new thing where you can add on items to your bag for like $3. I have screenshots from my account, which I'll put up so it's easier to imagine what I'm talking about. But that's pretty nice because, and those are items like from like that month section. So until you get your bag, you can add it for $3 each item. There's like 10, 15 items that it lets you choose from. And I recently noticed, since they're doing the Glam Bag Plus, they also have full-size items that you can add on for, was it $10? I'm not sure. I do have a screenshot of it. Okay, so the other thing that they're doing, unfortunately, it ends tomorrow, so there's no point of doing it because this video won't be up. But it was like a referral kind of thing that you sign up and your friend signs up. You both get points. And you both get these items. It's like this thing from Glam Glow. I have it. It's the Ulta gift that they were, no, Sephora gift that they were doing this. I don't know if the gifts are the same, but my birthday's in June, so that's what I got. It's like the pink thing. It's like one of the glow, it's like a gel. Oh my god, how do I explain this? It's like a moisturizer, but it has like a little bit of glitter in it. There we go. So you could have done that, but if you know about it, let me know if you got those items and like your friend got those items. I think, pretty sure you get it next month since it was till the 14th and their bags are already shipping. But yeah, they had that option. I totally was gonna leave a link down below and everything. Yeah, they're doing that. If you have any questions, let me know. I might try to add on items and I'll show you and talk about everything. Yeah, 4th item, Helios Beauty eyeshadow. It's a cream to powder, so it's kind of like the Ipsy ones. They're Ipsy ColourPop. They're ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I'm not gonna open this. Oh my god, it's not even coming out of its packaging because I am definitely not keeping this item. I don't like single shadows. I don't even like smaller eyeshadow palettes because I have so many eyeshadows. But here's the color. It's called I Only Fly in First. And for this, apply your eyelids, can be used as eyeliner. Oh, so it's kind of like a gel. This is from Pixi by Petra. I think it's like a lip plumper. It said something sheen to the max or something. I don't know. Let's see. It's in honey sheen. It doesn't say anything else, but it's a pretty color. Ooh, okay. It smells like mint, but I've gotten used to like glosses smelling like mint. I hate the smell of mint, but this one I won't mind because it's gloss and, you know, makes it smell good. So I do see like a little tint, kind of like a champagne color. I'm gonna apply it to my lips. Can't believe I hated lip gloss for so long, because since elementary I was like, yeah, glosses are fucking sticky. And now every gloss I use is like not sticky at all, like fucking great. So yeah, elementary school me. Sorry you were stuck with glosses, oh my god, that were sticky. This, I feel like a burning sensation. That means like it is kind of like a plumper, but that's cute. It's not too big, but I love the color that Pixi uses for like their packaging. It's like this mint green color and it's beautiful. You can't really see the tint on my lip, but it is there. There's like a little bit of sparkle. The smell isn't bothering me so far. This was a really nice bag, and if you want to know why you get sent those products that you get sent, why you get those products that they send you, it's because like sometimes it says, oh, because you left nice reviews for Pixi, oh, because you said you wanted to try mascara, but sometimes it tells you, oh, we think you might like this. That's how I get like this and like the items I don't like. So I wish they kind of didn't do that. But I mean, it's nice that they think that, you know, I want to try it out. That's nice of them, but I don't. And it's easy. You could just give it away to a friend. But yeah, if you guys want to see that, it doesn't show up on the app, but when they send you an email to like reveal your bag, which is after like the reveal dates, you could just click on that and just scroll, and it shows you all the items and why they chose that for you. But that's really helpful. So now I know like what they recommend and what I get based upon reviews. So like if I get something from Pixi and like I left, so if I leave like a bad review, I probably don't get things from that company. But I hate Pixi eyeliner, but I love lip gloss, so I'm glad that they're still sending nice things from them. I think I fucked up the top part of this. Leave me your thoughts down below. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Let me know if, I don't know. Just make sure you guys follow me just in case you're curious, because it's kind of hard to like do an updated video on YouTube, especially when you're not famous, no one cares. But I know that some people that watch me maybe want to know what I'm doing or whatever. So definitely follow me on the social medias if you aren't already. If you are, like sometimes comment on my picture and be like, oh hey, I'm from YouTube, and that'll just be awesome. So I know to like keep doing this, because I am canceling BoxyCharm, unfortunately. So yeah, my only subscription will be Ipsy and other hauls that I do. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.